Yeah, this is syntax, guys. Last class, what is int I discussed? Printf means what I discussed. Printf, it prints the address, right? Based upon address, it prints the string. What is CDECL? Okay, next one, guys. Next continuation. Yeah, guys, we write some statements, guys, in printf. How it executes? What are the different types of how it prints the statements? Right to left or left to right? We discuss, guys. Now int I is 10, guys. We write this printf percentile percentile I comma I equals to 20 comma I. This is the first statement, guys. We write a printf statement I equals to again 10, or we can take any number 5. It is printf of percentile. At last class we discussed printf, how it takes the printf. Now next continuation, guys. I into 4. If any newcomers, if any newcomers are there, ask your friends. Okay, how it prints the statement I comma I equals to 4 comma and I equals to I into 4 comma I. Yeah, we can write up this program, guys. We can write this program. Write this program. Now again I equals to 5. Printf, I am going to print series percentile I plus 2 comma I plus 3 comma I plus 4. Next I equals to 5. I have written 4 printf statement. How it executes this printf statement? Okay, I equals to I plus 2 comma I equals to I plus 3 comma I equals to I plus 4. Yeah, guys, first statement, what it prints the first statement, guys. Write this statement, guys. We check it one by one. First statement 10 20 10. Tarun.
2010.
10 20 10.
2010.
10, 20, 26.
10 20 20. Okay. 10 20 20 upper. Okay, we check it, guys. Yeah, write notes also. One by one statement we check it. Yeah, guys, how printf will execute? Okay, na? How printf executes right to left, guys. This printf statement that depends upon compiler, guys. Again, what are the different ways to print? Okay, how they have defined that printf statement? How they have defined? Completed now. Once program completed, now I will explain. First, write this. We check it, guys, how it prints the statements, right? Say this 3 percentile is there. First percentile is this. Second percentile is this. And third percentile is this. Okay, while printing, guys, while printing, it executes from right to left. Like this, it executes. Yeah, first which value, guys? Here I will write I value, guys. I is initially 10. It executes from right to left. It prints here first. This one is 10. This one is 10, no doubt, because this is I value, because it will execute from right to left. Next, this one. Yeah, what is the next one, guys? I value is 20. Y value is 20. Now this value takes 20. Yeah, third percentile is what? Again, I value is printing. What is I value? Again, it is 20. Now output is got, guys, 20, 20, 10. Okay, no? Yeah, this output is 20, 20, 10 because printf statement it executes from right to left. It executes from right to left. Okay, no? See this. Now output, if I run, it executes 20, 20, 10 is printing. For output, if you want to check it, I will remove the clear screen, guys. See this. Now output is 20, 20, 10. Okay. Now output is 20, 20, 10. Here it is printing right to left. Now output is what, guys? First statement 20, 20, 10. The second statement, guys. What is second statement? I want to print first this one. I value I into 4. Again I value. It is printing I value, guys. While printing I like this, what is the I value first? I value 10 will be printed. Now I into 4. What is I into 4, guys? Sorry, this is 5, right? Yeah, I value modified. I value is 5. Now I into 4. What is I into 4, guys? 20. Now value is not modified, guys. Value is not modified. Again, third percentile is I. Now answer is, guys, 525. If you print left to right also, nothing will happen. 525 only will be printed. Whenever value modified, then only we get the difference. Okay. Value is not modified in the printf. Nothing will be, if you print right to left or left to right also, the answer is what? 525. First one, this one. 525. Clear? This value is 525. Yeah, what is the next one, guys?
52020.
Huh?
52020.
Reverse, no?
2025, sir.
Yeah, this is 2025 is the answer. Percentile. It prints from this value first. Last value. What is
Sir,
the
but
last?
pi is equal to 5, no, sir. I may ascend.
Yeah, 5. Second, I equals to I into 4. Now value modified, no? Now equals to is there, value modified. Now it is 20. Right? Third percentile again, I how much? I is how much modified, no? 2025 is the answer. 2025 is the answer. Next, this one. Guys, tell me last two.
14, 12, 9.
Is there
7,
any
8, 9.
occasion today? Yeah, guys, tell me.
14, 12, 9, sir.
Huh?
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9. Yeah. If you print left to right also.
13, 11,
same
9, no, sir.
value not modified, no? Value is not modifying, right?
Yes, sir.
I value is 5 only. If equals to is there, then value will be modified. Then answer is what? 7, 8, 9 only. Answer 7, 8, 9. Now 7, 8, 9. When it comes to next one, guys, tell me answer for this.
14, 12, 9.
14, 12, 9.
Yeah, 14, 12, 9. Very good. It executes from right to left, no? 14, 12, 9. I'm not explaining because see this, I value is 5. I value is 5. Now this value will be printed first. I equals to I plus 4, 9. I value is modified to 9. Next, this value, I equals to I plus 3, 12. Now this value is 12. Next, third percentile, I equals to I plus 2, 14. Then answer is 14. 14, 12, 9 is the answer. Yeah, 14, 12, 9. Yeah. 14, 12, 9. Is there any occasion today? There. 14, 12, 9. Last one is 14, 12, 9. Yeah, Priyanka, I will tell you. Okay. Yeah. Why it prints from right to left? Guys, how to print left to right or left to right to left? Yeah, how they implemented that printf function. Okay, now we have, I told you, right? This is a syntax of printf. I will show you that printf. Int means, you know, right, that return type. Printf function name, char is a parameter. What is C declaration? This is called calling convention, guys. Calling convention. Okay, what is calling conventions are three types are there. What are the three types? One is a CDECL convention. Next, Pascal convention. L lateral convention. Third one is there. Okay. What happens in CDECL? Okay, you can't tell third one. I will tell you how it works. In CDECL, it executes from right to left. In Pascal, what happens, guys? In Pascal, left to right. It executes from left to right. CDECL means right to left. It executes from right to left. Understood? Two kind of conventions. I will show you the printf syntax. I am using Turbo C compiler. This is Turbo C software, guys. We can go and check it. Standard IO header file. Header file is available. You can go and check it, guys. Standard IO header file. How they implemented. See this. This is standard IO header file, guys. C header file. I will show you that CDECL header file, guys. If I check it, see this output, how this is implemented. Printf function is there. Once go on, check it, printf function. Okay, now this is printf function. You can see here, this is syntax.
అన్నారు కాకపోతే ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ అనుకుంటా మరి ఇప్పుడు ఆఫ్లైన్ పెడతా అని అన్నారు ఫస్ట్ షెడ్యూల్ కూడా పెట్టే కదా టైం టేబుల్ కూడా
CDECL. Yeah, Shirisha Sumata. Yeah, okay. CDECL. This is a syntax, guys. What is this CDECL means? Right to left will execute. Okay, now this is Turbo C compiler. You can check dev C++. I will show in the dev C++ also. Guys. How it works? If you write any printf statement, how it executes. Okay, this is a printf function I am writing. You have to check it how it works also, right? See this. This is printf I have written. Some statement I have written, guys. Printf of welcome. Save as .c extension. Yeah, how to know that is a left to right or right to left. Yeah, see, this is also implemented CDECL only, guys. Okay, it also executes right to left only. Okay, it shows that here also it shows CDECL. Yeah, yeah, I will show you in an after some time how it is not loading, guys. Could not find information about printf. Okay, it is showing something. Yeah, I will show you whenever it is connected. Whenever it is connected, I will show you this. Okay. Yeah, this is also CDECL. Some compilers. Yeah, before writing, you should know that. Okay. How it
Sir, we can
supports.
write same program and execute now, sir. If result is same as Turbo C++,
No,
then
that
CDC.
function, the prototype I want to show you. I equals to 10 comma I. Integer I equals to first 5. Now expected output is 10. This is 10, 10, 5 has to print. 10, 10, 5 has to print. Yeah, this is not, it is not following Pascal, the C declaration. The third one it is following. Highest value will be printed. Okay. Third one I told you, right? Pascal means left to right. What is third one? Whatever the highest updated value is there, highest updated value will be printed. Okay. Highest update. If any value is modified, then that value will be printed, guys. That is third one. Okay, these are the calling conventions. CDECL means left to right. Left to right will execute. Okay, no? Yeah. If they won't ask this compiler based question, if they ask the compiler based question, how to answer? You understood, right? You should know about how it works. First time only. This is the first time, right? That's why I'm showing. It executes right to left. Pascal means left to right. Third one is highest updated value will be printed. Okay, no? GDB compiler, online GDB compiler also it works like this only. Okay, now we are using CDECL convention. It follows right to left. Listen carefully. I will generalize and I will tell you if they are asking compiler based question how to answer. They have given that is also how to answer those compiler based questions also. They have given a solution. I will tell you later. Okay, listen carefully. Understood, guys? I will generalize and I will tell you for all the compilers how to write these compiler based questions. Clear? Next one. It executes from this is a CDECL convention. We have to execute from right to left. It executes from right to left. Other one is there, Pascal. Third one is a highest updated value will be there. Okay, calling conventions. They are called calling conventions. Yeah, next one, guys. See this. If I write a printf of percentile. Okay, now what is this value? What it prints, guys, in this compiler now? What it prints?
Garbage values.
Garbage values will be printed. Good. Now check it. If I run this, now garbage values it is printing. Clear screen, it removes the previous output. Once I execute this is the garbage values. The garbage values it is printing. Okay, my question is not this. Now if I write int x equals to 10, y equals to 20, z equals to 30. Now if x is 10, y is 20, z is 30. Now guys, tell me answer for this.
30, 20, 10, sir. Stack. Last in, first out.
Yeah, very good. Now answer is 30, 20, 10. Completed last class. No? Yeah, this is now it is
No, sir.
printing 30, 20, 10. Here we did not mention any values, right? You did not mention any value. It has to print garbage values only, but it is not printing garbage values. Now it is printing 30, 20, 10. Why it is printing 30, 20, 10, guys? In stack, these values are there. Okay, this is 10. First value is 10. First value will be stored. Second value, right? And third value. Okay, X value will be stored here. This is 10, guys. Next Y value, this is a Y. Right, this Y value will be printed. Y value is 20 and Z value is 30. Yeah, you did not mention. Whenever you not mention the values, then it follows, it takes from values, takes from stack. Yeah, how it takes LIFO technique, last in first out technique. Last in first out, which one comes first? 30 comes first, next 20, next 10. 30, 20, 10 will be printed. Now answer is what, guys? 30, 20, 10. Okay, now check it there. Once execute this, guys. Now answer is 30, 20, 10. Clear? Yeah, now write other statements I will write.
Sure.
30, 20, 10. Second printf statement, guys. I want to write a percentile, percentile, percent. Guys, can you tell answer for this now? Second one.
10, 30, 20.
Very good. First value you mentioned. First value you
First
mentioned,
value
that
print
is,
as it is, sir. The stack from stack.
yeah,
Give
very
me
good.
into.
This is 10, right? Remaining two values you did not mention, it takes from stack. Okay, now 30, 20 it will be taken, right? Now first value is 10 only, not 20, 30. Rohit, it's not correct. See this. First value is 10, no doubt first value is 10. Remaining two values are 30, 20. Now check it once answer for this question. Ten, 30, 20. Okay, na? Yeah, this is 10, 30, 20. Third printf. Now I want to write one more printf statement, guys. Printf of percentile, percentile, percentile. Right? If I write a y comma z. Now tell me answer for this, guys.
20, 30, 30.
20, 30, 10.
20, 30, 20.
20, 30.
20, 30, 10.
20, 30, 10.
Why 10?
20, 30, 30, sir.
30,
20,
yeah.
30, 30.
20, 30, 30. Clear? Then this answer is 20, 30, 30. Yeah, next one more printf. Is there any limitations for this? Yeah, it is there. What are those limitations also I will tell. Percentile, percentile, percentile. Now x, next y. If I write x or y x or y x I have printed. Yeah, tell me, guys, now answer for this.
20, 10, 30.
20, 10, 30.
20.
Good. Yeah, 20, 10, 30. That is the answer. 20, 10, 30. Now answer is 20, 10, 30. Yeah. Now next printf. Is there any limitations for this? Yes, limitations also is there. What are the limitations? We check it. Now tell me, guys, x comma x. Guys, tell me output for this. These two printfs. Expected is how much?
10, 10, 30. 20, 20,
Expected
30.
is 10, 10, 30, right?
And 20, 20, 30.
Yeah, we expected is that. But what happened, guys?
Garbage values.
10, 10 garbage. Okay. When it won't take from stack. 10, that is the limitations. 10, 10 garbage. Now expected second one is 20, 20, 30. But if I try to execute this, now I am going to execute 20, 20, 30 expected, but 20, 20 garbage it is printed. Yeah. What is the limitation? When it is printing wrong, guys, tell me. 20, 20 garbage. When it is printing wrong,
When we repeat the values.
yeah, if you access one value more than one time, then it is giving the garbage values. Clear? That is a limitation. Remember, in stack 3 values are there. you are printing 3 values. Remember that. Then only this principle works. Okay, na? Yeah, write this. Next one. Next one, scanf. We discuss about scanf. Completed. Next one, scanf. We discuss. If finished, start scanf, guys. Clear. Next scanf, guys. Printf. Already we discussed printf. Printf task is what? Last class we discussed. Printf prints the string. It prints the string. Second task is it returns the length of the string. Returns the length of the string. Now scanf we discuss, guys. Guys, can you tell what is scanf function? Scanf also it performs 2 tasks. Same. Performs 2 tasks. Can anyone tell what are those 2 tasks? It reads the inputs. Second task,
And stores it in variable.
yeah, the reading means that is only right. Reads and stores, that is one task. Yeah, it returns the number of inputs. Scanf also returns. Printf returns the length of the string. Scanf returns the number of inputs. Example for syntax for scanf. You can see the scanf syntax.
Simple
Int scanf of char star. Same. We need to pass some parameters that is considered as string only because we write in double quotes. No, we write in double quotes. That's why that is a string only. Yeah. Example for scanf. See this, guys. Can I write a declaration must? I declare some values. A, B, I values now. See this. Can I write I equals to scanf of first value percentile? I'm reading and I am storing in A. This is the first statement. Okay. Now, guys, can you tell what is I value now in this case?
One side it takes one in.
Yeah, very good. It is taking one input. I value is 1. Clear? Yeah. Next, the second task. Second, if I write like this, I equals to scanf of percentile D, percentile D, address of A and address of B. Okay, we are reading two values. First value storing in A, second value storing in B. Now I value is how much? How much guys I value? 2, right?
Yes.
Why it takes 2? Because we are reading two values. We are reading two values. Then I value is 2. Okay, no? Completed. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, see this next one. Completed, right? Yeah, see how to write a program. Int a comma b comma I. We write some examples for this. Printf, how to read inputs, guys. Enter a comma b values. Enter a comma b values. Scanf, how to write a scanf? I equals to scanf of percentile percentile. While writing, don't give the spaces or commas between the percentile, guys. Why I said string, guys? Scanf text we are writing in double quotes only. That's why I said it is a string. Okay. Now print a value, b value, and I value. Now I am going to print a value. A equals to percentile, b equals to percentile, and I equals to percentile. We are printing a, b, I values, guys. A, b, I values. One check it. Now it reads the two numbers. Enter two values, guys. See this. It is asking for enter a, b values. I enter 10. I enter 20. A value is 10. B value is 20. I value is 2. Why I value is 2, guys? Number of inputs you are reading. Number of inputs I is 2. Okay, no? If you don't want the previous output, we use a clear screen to remove the previous output. Enter AB values. I enter 10, 20. Now this is the output. Now total output. Okay, no? Guys, for example, if I execute this statement like this, sometimes we'll enter like this 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. Spaces I have given. I have not entered. See, enter, guys. Now what is the output now in this case? In this case, whatever you have written scanf, that only it work, guys. If you write 10, 20, 30, 40, the answer is what? 2 only. See this. We are reading two values only. We are storing those two values. Now A value is stored here and B value is stored here. Clear, I think? A value is 10, B value is 20. Clear. Now what I'm going to write, third percentile I'm writing. Third percentile. Scanf, percentile, percentile, percentile. Right? Once execute this, if I execute, see this, enter how many values it reads? 10, 20, 30. Here what is happening is three values you are reading, only you are storing. This is RAM, guys. How it works, this actually, right? This is RAM. In RAM, stack will be there. Values will be stored in stack. This is whenever you are reading directly, it won't store in stack, guys. This is called buffer memory will be created for input. Buffer memory. Okay, through buffer those values goes to stack area, guys. This is in RAM, stack will be there. Okay, that buffer also will be created in stack only, in RAM only. This is stack memory. Directly it won't go. First, if you read the inputs 10, 20, 30, okay, from this buffer memory, buffer means temporary memory, you know, right? Through buffer memory, those values stored in stack area. Directly it won't go, right? If you enter 10, 20, 30, those values stored in stack. Here we are storing how many values, guys? Two only, A value, B value. But what about 30? After completion of this input, this will be deleted. That buffer memory will be deleted. Okay, those values stored in where? A and B only stored in stack area only, right? Now, if I execute this, now A is 10, B is 20, I is 3. You understood, guys? Where I am storing? I am storing buffer through buffer. I am storing in the stack of in stack. You are storing in address of A and address of B. Where is this address of A and address of B? In stack memory you are storing. Okay, but when you read those values stored into buffer memory through buffer, you are storing in stack. That is the meaning. You are reading 3 values, but you are storing in right. Clear it is one. For example, if I did not mention series, yeah, once execute. Now, sorry, comma is there, comma left. Here we are reading percentile only, right? Now, how many values you are reading? 3 values you are reading. Once execute, guys. If I execute 10, 20, 30. Now, what is A value? You are reading, but you are not storing in A.
Garbage
Now,
values.
yeah, A is garbage, B is garbage. But I value is how much, guys? 3 only, because you are reading those values. A is garbage, B is garbage, I is 3. Clear? This is no, we are not storing. Clear, right? First write this address of A and address of B. Finish first this one. I think you understood. Anyway, I will execute and I will show you next task. Write this. Yeah, next. Last class, we executed scan printf within the printf. You understood, right? Write output also. In the output, what happens, guys? It will ask for enter A comma B values. We'll enter 10 and 20. Now output will be printed. A is 10, A is 10, B is 20, and I is 2. In the same line. Okay. You understood, right? 2 decimal values you are reading, and we are storing in A and B. Okay. Directly, guys, for input, buffer memory will be created first. Scanf creates buffer memory first. From buffer, those values move to stack. Next, see this. Now I am going to write, now I am going to write a next step. Printf of yeah, guys. Printf of some statement I am going to write, guys. See this. Printf of see this. Next one, guys. Slash and allow space percentile d. This is scanf within the printf. Now next statement I have written this. Guys, if user inputs are 10, 20, tell me what will be the total output.
I value 9, sir. 10, 29.
High value?
9, sir. 10, 29. Number of characters 9.
What did that printf statement prints?
Total number of characters printed.
No, no, అది కాదు. ఇక్కడ ఈ printf ఏం ప్రింట్ చేస్తాం? పవన్.
Two, hello sir.
Yeah. Em print అవుతుంది.
Allow 2, sir.
Sanjay. Hello 2 na? Good.
Yes,
Good.
sir. కానీ I value 9 అవుతుంది సార్. లాస్ట్ I value 9.
Yes, yes. First, which one will be executed? Scanf or printf?
Scanf stack.
Yeah, scanf will be executed first. It reads the inputs. A value you enter 10, B value 20. Now hello space percentile. What is this percentile? Scanf value. What is scanf value, guys? Number of inputs. Hello space 2. A value is how much? 10. B value is how much? 20. I value. I value is this printf length. Hello space 2 will be printed. Hello space 2 is how many character? 7, right? 6, 7, 8. 8, right? Sanjay?
It will count also slash n, sir. It will treat slash n as character.
Slash n is 1 only. Hello is a 5 character. 6, 7, 8.
8 characters.
Yeah,
Yes,
8
yes.
only. Yeah, once enter A and B values, I enter 10, 20. Now see this. Hello space 2. I is 8. Why 8? Hello space 2. What is hello space 2? 7 characters. Slash n వచ్చేసి 1. 8 characters, right? I is 8. Yes, clear? Next. Yeah, Sirisha. First scanf will be executed, right? Scanf first it will ask enter A comma B values. This message will be printed. After that, this inner statement will be executed. First scanf. What is scanf? It reads the inputs. We'll enter 10 and 20, right? Enter 10 and 20. After that, this printf will be executed. In printf, what it prints? Allow space. This percentile. What is this percentile? Scanf value it takes. Earlier we have written in the next previous session. This percentile takes scanf value. Scanf value is nothing but this is what? Hello space 2. Hello space 2. Why 2, guys? Scanf value is the number of inputs 2. Now I value is what, guys? This length. Yeah, how many characters is hello means 5 characters, 6, 7. Space undi 6. It is 7 outside 1 character slash and 8. Now I value is 8. Finally, what it prints? A is 10, B is 20, I is 8. That is the output. Anything you can enter, guys. That is a 10, 20, 10 or 20, 30. Now allow space to I is 8. This one, right? Next example. Guys, tell me next example. Say this. Yeah. I'm not going to take I values now. See, in this case, guys, try to understand. Try to understand next one. See this. I'm going to print how many values. Okay, guys, it కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉంటుంది. Try to understand, guys. Percentile. Now A is how much, guys? 55 I have given. B is 66. I have given 66. We are going to how many values, right? We are printing 3 values. Percentile. First value is scanf. What is scanf? It reads the inputs, address of A and address of B. Next A comma B. Yeah, guys. Now scanf within the printf. Write this and tell me output, guys.
Two 55, 66.
255.
No, sir. Two whatever we enter, sir. It's after executing whatever we enter, those 2 values after 2.
No, check Sanjay once. After printing, scanf will be executed or It executes right to left or
Scanf.
left to right?
After printf scanf, no, sir.
After printing only, no? Now tell me guys, first which one will be executed? This one will be executed first.
Scanf.
Yeah. No, not
B, sir, from right to left.
3% list, no? 3% list. I told you right, 3% list. First A value is how much? A is 55 is there. A is 55. B is how much guys? B is 66. Yeah. First this one will be, this message will be printed, enter A comma B values. Now this is a B is printed. What is B guys? 66. Next this percentile. What is this percentile? A. What is A guys? 55. Okay. Now this percentile is what? Scanf. Are you following? 3 values are there. Are you following guys? 3 values. What are 3 values? First percentile is a scanf value. Second percentile is a. Third percentile is a B. I think you understood, right? First percentile is a scanf. Second percentile is a. Third percentile is a B. It executes from right to left. First B value. This is 66. Next, this is what? A value 55. Yeah, next one, this percentile is scanf value. What is scanf value? 2, 55 and 66. Whenever it is executed, it changes the values. Okay, after printing only you are changing, right? This is 1020. Now answer is how much guys? 255, 66. 255, 66. Once execute this, if I run this, this is output. And B value. Enter A comma B values. 10 I enter, 20 I enter. Now 255, 66 is answer. Guys, write this. Yeah, Omar, I will explain now. Okay, I told you no. Generalize and I will tell you. Execute from right to left only, Abdul. This is C declaration calling. This compiler follows this. I generalize and I will tell you finally. Okay. Clear this? Yeah, same statement. I want to change it, guys. Now what I am doing, first A value. Now see this. I will change the same printer. First A value, next B value, next scanf value.
2 comma whatever user enters, sir.
No, that is 1020 we are entering, no?
Yes, sir, 1020.
1022.
Yeah, you understood right now, previous one and this one, right? When scanf is executing, first scanf will be executed. First scanf will be executed, guys, here. Now scanf is executing. It asks first in initial inputs are 55 and 66. First initial inputs are 55 and 66. Okay, first scanf will be executed because 3 percentile. First percentile is A, second percentile is a B, third percentile is a scanf. Value it takes. but scanf will be executed. After executing, A value will be modified to 10 and B value will be modified to 20. Okay. Now it prints what scanf value. Here 2 now. This is 2. What is the next value? B value. What is B value? Change, 20. Now this value is how much? 10. Now 1022. This answer is what, guys? 1022. Now enter A value, B value. 10 is 20 and 1022 is the answer. Okay. Yeah. Scanf also right to left turning. Nagavikram. I should know this one. CDECL, printf function. How printf works. This is a printf. Printf has this conversion, no? C underscore CDECL. That is a convention. And scanf also, you can check for scanf. If you check for scanf, where is the scanf is there, then we get that values, guys. Okay, no? Yeah, see, clear, right? You have written the modified, right? If you modify after modifying, then answer is 1020 and that values. Next one. Next one, guys. Same. I want to change this. Now printf of one space I have given one space percentile, comma one more printf of percentile one space and one more percentile A comma B. Guys, tell me output for this. Next one.
Five 55 6.
4, sir. 450.
4 or 5?
5 sir. Space
5.
also.
Yeah, first this one
5
will
5
be
6 6 4.
yeah, very good. First this one will be executed. 55 66. Now space also is there. What is this percentile? Scanf value it takes. What is scanf value? Length it takes. What is the length, guys? Now 55 66. There is no slash and 5 will be printed. Why 5, guys? These characters, 5 characters. 55 2 characters, 66 2 characters, space 1 is 55 66 and 5. Once execute, guys. Answer is 55 66 and 5. Clear? Next one, guys. Scanf you understood, right, guys? How scanf works? Yeah, next I want to write some printf statements, guys. Tell me some those outputs one by one. Write now first percentile. You know already some printf statements. Percentile 123, guys. Second percentile printf of percentile 5D 123. Printf percentile 3D 1 2 3 4 5. Printf of percentile minus 5D 1 2 3. guys, one by one printf statements we execute. Printf of percentile 05D 123. Printf of percentile minus 05D 123. Yeah, next one is what, guys? Only printf statement percentile f 5.16 only. Next printf of percentile 0.2f 5.1623. Printf of percentile 0.2f 5.1678. Printf of percentile 0.0f 4.99. And printf of percentile 0.0f 5.67. Last printf of one by one we discuss, guys. Percentile f seal of 3.4 comma floor of 3.4. Yeah, guys, write all these printf statements one by one. Guys, write one by one, guys. We check it one by one, those printf statements. Guys, completed, huh? Guys, first printf. See the first printf, guys. Yeah, guys. What is percentile 123? Then value is 123, guys. No doubt, right? This is 123. No spaces. Say this. Cursor is here only. No spaces, front or back spaces. No spaces, guys, here. 1, 2, 3. Right now it is printing 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Next one is what, guys? Percentile 5D.
5 spaces and 123.
No, not 5 spaces.
1, 2, 3 and 2 spaces.
5 represents their 5 digits has to print. 5 digits. Minimum 5 digits. Remember, minimum 5 digits has to print.
Float, no, sir. It is 5 digits.
0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3.
No. There is no 5 digits, no.
Spaces 1, 2, 3.
Only 3 digits are there. Remaining 2 digits, it adds spaces.
2 spaces and
Yeah, it adds the spaces. Where it is adding spaces, guys, you can check it.
At last.
No, front.
Yes, sir. Print.
Forward spaces. It adds the forward spaces, right? Space, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, next one is what is percentile 3D? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Only 1, 2, 3.
Minimum 3 digits. Minimum 3 digits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. 5 digits are there. Does it print 5 digits? Yes. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It won't change the value, guys. Remember, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the answer. Okay. I think you understood, right? Minimum 3 digits has to print. We have maximum, no problem. Lekapothe, sufficient lekapothe spaces add chestadi. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, next one. Percentile minus 5D. What is this?
1, 2, 3, 5 spaces.
1, 2, 3? No. 5 represent 5 digits only. Minus 5D means what? See this. What is minus 5D? Yeah, two spaces. Good. Somebody told. 1,
But
2,
at
3
last,
space. Yeah, backward spaces it adds. Okay. 1, 2, 3 space. Yeah, next one. 0, 5D. What is the meaning of 0, 5D?
Adding zeros.
Yeah, it's instead of spaces, it adds us zeros now. 5 digits, now it is adding 5 digits. No sufficient, then it adds zeros. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, same series. Printf percentile 0, 3D. Now I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, guys, in this statement,
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will check it. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, right? Now,
Yes.
minimum 3 digits has to print. If there is no sufficient, then it adds zeros. Space is also same. The next one, guys, minus 0, 5D.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 0, 0.
Are you sure? 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. Yeah. Once
Yes, sir.
above statement check, guys. Value modify in the ఒకసారి చూద్దాం పైన values. Check above values, guys. Is the value modified or not? 1, 2, 3 value not modified. Here also not modified. 3D you mentioned value not modified. Just here also not modified. Okay, na? It won't modify the value, guys. If you're at minus 0, 5D, your what actually it has to add 5 digits has to add. Okay, does it add right side? No, it won't add right side, guys. Are you following, guys? If you add right side, what happens? You know that it changes the value. Okay, but these all, it won't print the values. It won't change the values. Okay, remember that. Now what it prints now? Now it prints spaces it is adding. See this? If you write 0 right side also, it won't add zeros right side. 1, 2, 3 space space. Answer is 1, 2, 3 space space. That is output. Yeah, next one guys, percentile F. What is percentile F? What it prints?
Float.
0, 0, 1, 2,
Float.
3, no? Yeah. Why 0 point something?
5.16.
5.16 you have
5.1.
written, right? Default, how many values will be printed, guys? 6 values will be printed after decimal defaulting. 5.160000. Okay, that is output. 5.160000. Yeah, next this one, guys. 0.2F.
5.16, sir. Only 2 digits.
This one, guys.
5.16.
5.16. Good. 5 point after decimal print 2 values. That is the meaning. Now 5.16 will be printed. Yeah, good. This is 5.16. Yeah, next one, guys.
5.17.
17. Very good.
Rounding off.
Yeah, guys. Same. Why? See, guys. Already I have written 5.1623. Again, if it is the first thing once, ఇక్కడ 5.16 వచ్చేటట్లయితే నేను రాయను. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 1623 is there. This value third digit is what? 2. Here third digit is what, guys? 7. You know, guys, that concept, rounding figure concept. What is round figure concept? Whenever it exceeds the greater than or equals to 5, then it adds this value to next, right? Now this value it adds to this. Now what is the answer, guys? 5.17 is the answer, not 1617. So this is 5.17. Yeah, guys. Next one, 0f. 0.0f means what? After decimal, 0 values has to print. Okay, now what is the answer, guys? Now this is a 5. Answer is 5 because rounding figure, same concept. This is also same. Now it's a 5. Yeah, next one, guys. 5.67. 0.0f. 6. That is also 6, guys. This is also 6. Okay, next. The last printf statement, guys. Seal of 3.4 and floor of 3.4.
3.5.
Hmm?
3 and 4. 3.00 and 4.
Seal means what, guys? Seal function means
Highest
Rounding off to lowest values, sir. Below.
no. Seal means above value. Floor means below value, right? For example, this is a see this. We have elements like this. This is 3 is there, 1.02. This is a 4.0. Yeah. Below value means seal means 3.4 means here. 3.4 is here. Below value means here. Seal means above value. What is seal, guys? 4.0. Floor means 3.0. That is the answer. Seal floor. Once executes seal for 4.0 and 3.0. That is the values. Okay. Next one, guys. Next concept, data types, guys. Data types. We have 3 data types. Predefined. I think completed, right? You understood, right? What are these all printf statements?
Yes.
Next one, data types. Yeah, predefined and user defined and derived. predefined and user defined and derived, guys. See this. What are the predefined data types? What are the user defined? Guys, tell me, predefined means already defined by C developers, int, char, float. Okay, no? User defined means structures, unions, and enums. Guys, can anyone tell what are the derived data types?
Pointer.
Yeah, very good. Pointers. It is a basic int star, char star, float star, double star. What are other? Arrays also. Arrays also. Int of is a data type. Char of is a data type. Strings. Arrays is a derived data type. Strings are the derived data types. Okay, no? Yeah, in data types, what kind of question they ask, right? I will tell you guys. Class in C++ and Java, classes. In C, we call it structures only. Structures, unions, and enums. Complete, na? Yeah, in data type, I will show you guys. First one, predefined data types are number data types are there. Number data types. What are the number data types? We have short int. These all are compiler dependent, guys. Again, compiler dependent. Depends upon compiler, it works. Compiler dependent. Okay. C itself compiler dependent, guys. Okay, now. Yeah. I am discussing 16-bit compiler. Now I am using 16-bit compiler. If you use a 32-bit compiler, again sizes are different. Everywhere data type is different. Okay. If you learn one compiler, it won't execute. Class in Java and C++. That is a user defined data type. Teja. Okay. See, guys. Now I am discussing about this point of view, 16-bit point of view. See, it takes 2 bytes. What is the format specifier? Percentile DR, percentile I. Ranges is how much, guys? Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Short int and signed int also same. Signed int also same. It takes 2 bytes, guys. Yeah, difference. What is the difference? I will tell you. This is 2 power 16 will be there. If it is a 4 bytes, 2 power 32 will be there. If it is 32-bit compiler, 2 power 32. That's all. This range also same, guys. Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Yeah, unsigned. Yeah, for example, if we use unsigned compiler, unsigned integer. Yeah, what is unsigned integer, guys? This is also 2 bytes. Format specifier is percentile U. That range is how much, guys? 0 to 65,535. Next one is long int. What is a long int, guys? Long int takes 4 bytes. 4 bytes. Format specifier is percentile LE. That range is minus 214 crores to plus 214 crores. Plus 214 crores. Okay. These are the number data types. Now I will discuss about the number data types. The first write this information, guys. Guys, completed, huh? See, in data types, what kind of question they may ask, guys? See, many questions are there, guys. From data types also, they may ask different questions. I will show you, for example, what kind of question they will ask. Yeah, it's not right. It's look like easy only. Yeah, this is the first question, guys. See one. First question. Check the first question, guys. There is a new data type which can take as values natural numbers between 0 and 25. How many minimum bits are required to store this data type? Okay, no? That is a one question. Yeah, this is the data type only is asking, but did you mention here how many values this is? We have written for 2 bytes. This is 2 bytes range, guys. 2 bytes means 16 bits. This is for 16 bits range is this. Yeah, guys. What is he is asking? 0 to 25 you need to store. Here is 0 to 65,535 we have written. He wants to store how many, guys? 0 to 25. How many minimum bits are required? We don't know, right? Yeah, we check it how to answer those kind of questions. For example, second question, a data type is stored as 6-bit signed integer. Which of the following cannot be represented by this data type? 6-bit signed integer. Do you know 6-bit signed integer? No, guys. We know only 16 bit because 2 bytes, no? 2 bytes. 16 bits only you know, but you don't know 6-bit size. 16-bit size is this. What about 6-bit size, guys? We don't know. That kind of question. For example, he has given, right, a language has that 28 different letters in total. Yeah, we check it, guys. And here also a 10 bits unsigned integer has the following range. What is 10 bits signed unsigned integer? We don't know. Here we have mentioned only 16 bits. Yeah, guys, how to answer this kind of questions? For example, guys, I will show you. See this. Here I will take bits format, guys. 3 bits I have taken. This here I want to store unsigned data. Here I want to store signed data, guys. This is unsigned data I want to store. Here signed data I want to store. For example, guys, if you try to store, see how much value you can store. This is for signed. This is for unsigned, guys. This is for unsigned. This is for unsigned integer. This is for signed integer. What is signed, guys? Both positive and negative numbers. You know this. Both positive and negative numbers. What about unsigned? In only positive numbers. Only positive. Okay, no? Yeah, guys. What is this 3 bits range? How much you can store? 0 how to store, guys? 0 we store like this. 0 means in bits format 0 0 0. 1 how to store 0 0 1. Yeah, guys. 2 how to store, guys? 0 1 0. 3 how to store 0 1 1. You know, guys, maximum value how much you can store? We can store maximum value is 1 1 1. Clear, guys? In 3 bits, this is a range. What is 3 bits range, guys? 0 to 7. This is for 3 bits. Are you following, guys? Maximum 0 how to store 0 0 0. How to store 7, guys? 7 we store 1 1 1. Can you store 8? No. What is 8 value, guys? 1 0 0. 8 value is 1 0 0. 1 0 0 means 8 bits are there. This is how many bits, guys? 3 bits. We can't store in 3 bits. is for 3 bits, guys. If I take 4 bits, if I take 4 bits, guys, now I want to take 4 bits. Yeah. What is the range you can store? 0 to 1 1 1 1 you can store. 1 1 1 1. This is 15. Okay, formula is for 0 to 15. This is for 4 bits, guys. Yeah, what is the maximum value you can store? 15. Least value is 0. Yeah, is there any formula for this? Yes, 0 to 2 power n minus 1. This is a formula. 0 to 2 power n minus 1. N is a what? Number of bits. Okay, we write like this. For unsigned and signed also I will write. Clear, guys? Can you write like this? Yes, we can write 0 to n power 2 power n minus 1. See, guys, bits wise I will write. These are number of bits. This is for unsigned. This is for signed. Okay. See this. How we got these ranges? This is for 3 bits. I will write, guys. 3 bits 0 to 7. 4 bits. Can I write 4 bits, guys? Yes, 4 bits. 0 to 15. Yeah, 5 bits, 6 bits. I want to write till 8 bits, guys. 0 to 31. Right? 6 bits. 0 to 63. Yeah, 7 bits. 0 to 127. Yeah, 8 bits. Yeah, what is 8 bits, guys? Nothing but a 1 byte. Yeah, this value is how much? 0 to 255. Yeah, if you write 16 bits, guys, like this, if you write 16 bits, 0 to 65,535. This is for 2 bytes. Okay, no? You understood, right, guys? 16 bits. How we got this range? How we got unsigned int range, guys? This is for 2 bytes. You understood, guys? I have written, no, this is unsigned into 2 bytes. What is 2 bytes range? 0 to 65,535. How we got this range? If you, this is for 3 bits, 4 bits, 5 bits, 6 bits. If you write like this, we get for 16 bits. That is a range, guys. This is for 0 to 3 is for 2 bits. 2 bits also we get. Okay. This is clear, right? 0 to 2 power n minus 1. This is a formula. 0 to 2 power n minus 1. This is a formula, guys. 0 to 2 power n minus 1. Yeah, come to signed integer, guys. When it comes to signed integer, yeah, what happens signed integer, right? This signed integer, how to write for signed integer? Yeah, first bit you have to leave, guys. First bit you have to leave. Yeah, what is the 0 combinations, and we write a 1 combinations. 0 combinations and 1 combination. Positive numbers and negative numbers we write. What are the positive numbers, guys? Tell me. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2, and this is 3. And negative combinations also will be there. What are the negative combinations? 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Yeah, what is 1 1 1, guys? Minus 1. What is the 1 1 0? Minus 2. It's not 7, guys. 1 1 1 means not minus 2. What is 1 0 1? Minus 3. What is 1 0 0? Minus 4. Now this range is how much, guys? One value extra will be there. Minus 4 2 plus 3 is the range for 3 bits. What is the range, guys? Minus 4 2 plus 3. Guys, clear at this one? This is for 3 bits range. One value extra will be there. What is the one value extra? Minus 4 2 plus 3. Yeah, you know, right? Negative number binary values, guys. You know, right? Binary values, how to get negative number binary values? Sure, guys? Yeah, once I will show you. What is 2? For example, this is 3. Many of the students don't know, guys. This is 3, guys. Minus 3 binary value means they write simply what they do. Yeah, what they do, guys, simply they will change the 0. They will write like this 1 1 1. It's not minus 3, guys. Now it's not minus 3. Okay, how to write a minus 3 binary value? 2's complement form you have to write, guys. First 1's complement you have to do. See this. This is 1's complement you have to do, guys. 1's complement. What is a 1's complement, guys? You know 1's complement. 1 0 0. Okay, no? 2's complement. Add 1, guys. We need to add 2's complement. Yeah, Yeah, what is 2's complement? Add 1, guys. If I add 1, we get something, right? This way, if you write, yeah, 101 will get. This is 101. This is -3. Okay, now 101 is a -3. This value, guys, 101 is a -3. Okay, now, for example, 1 I have written. This is 1. -1 how to write, guys? 1 it is 001. Yeah, -1 how to get, guys? 1's complement we have to write. This is 1's complement. How to write 1's complement, guys? You know this? 110. Yes, 2's complement, guys. How to write 2's complement? If you have to add 1, guys.
1
Yeah, if I add 111 we'll get. I think you understood, right, guys? How we got 111? This is a -1. This is a -1. 2's complement. If you do for a positive number, 2's complement, negative number. If you do for a negative number, 2's complement, positive number will get. Understood? Negative number 2's complement just the positive number also. Positive number 2's complement just the negative number also. Clear? For 3, if you want to do for 2 also, you can do, guys. This is for 2. What is 010? 1's complement and 2's complement. I want to do 1's complement, guys. This is a 1's complement. What is a 1's complement? This is 101. 2's complement is, you can do 2's complement. If I do 2's complement, add 1, guys. You know this how to add bits adding ravali. The academics lo meeku ostadi, right?
1 0.
Yeah. See this 1 is 01 you will get, guys. Like this you will get. Carry will add. This is a 1. This is 1.
Yes.
110, right?
1
This
1
is,
there.
yeah, -2. I think you understood, right? This is a -1. This is a -2, -3. See this. This is a -1, -2. This is a -3. What is this value? -4. I think you understood the 100. What is the 100 will get? That is a -4. Extra values, that is a -4. 011 is a positive number. 3 is a maximum value. 011. 011 is a maximum value. Next value is a 100. That is a -0. No negative 0. No. 000 is a positive 0. 100. No negative 0. That extra is a 100. That is a -4. Okay. What is the formula for? If you for 4 bits, if you write, guys, this is a 4 bits, guys. -4 to +7. -8 to +7. This is for 4 bits. Double, no, we have to do double. That's all. -2 formula is, guys, -2 power n minus 1 to +2 power n minus 1. -2 power n minus 1. -2 power n minus 1. This is a -2 power n minus 1. 2 +2 power n minus 1 to +2 +1. See this. +2 power n minus 1 -1. This value, one value decrement. This is a formula for sin it, guys. This is formula for this one. Clear? Yeah, Muhammad Omar. 2's complement. You want 2's complement? Yeah, 1's complement means convert zeros into ones. 0 1 1 is there. For example, 1's complement means convert zeros into ones, ones into zeros. 1 0 0. This is a 1's complement, Omar. 2's complement means you have to add 1. 1 adds this sum. We have to add 1. This is 2's complement. While adding 1, bits adding is 0 0 0 వస్తుంది మనకి. 0 0 will get 0. 0 1 also 1 will get. 1 0 also 1 will get. 1 0 also 1 1 we get. 1 1. If I write 1 1, then 1 0 will get. Okay. Clear this one? -4 to what, Omar? Sir, always in every case we have to add 1 only. No, I did not understand this step. 2's complement means, yeah, 2's complement means we have to add 1. First we have to do 1's complement. Next one we have to add 1. That is 2's complement form. Okay. Except mechanical civil, everybody has in academics, guys, this binary representation. I think a mechanical civil, they don't have this binary concepts. Clear are this? Yeah. Now what is new? You understood, right? That I will write for those signed integer also. 2 bits for -2 to +1. This is for 2 bits. 3 bits for -4 to +3. -4 to +3. Next one -8 to +7. -8 to +7. For 5 bits -16 to +15. Yeah, next one is -32 to +31. 6 bits. 7 bits is -64 to +63. Yeah, -64 to +3, right? Like this you can write, guys. -128 to -128 to +127. Finally, if you write like this for 13 bits, 32,768 to +32,767. We get the answers like this. You are asking for 100 or 100. For 100, 101 is a 2's complement. Okay. Yeah, this is right. These values, guys, for 2 bits, 3 bits. You should remember these values. I told you, no, the formula also. -2 n is a number of bits, guys. -2 power n minus 1, 2 plus 2 power n minus 1. Two power n minus 1 minus 1. Yeah, guys, listen carefully. Clear this one? Completed? Yeah, in this data types, what kind of question they may ask? Already I told you, right? For 0 to 25, you have to store. Clear this one? Completed, right? Yeah, see in this data type, right? 0 to 20. First question is what, guys? Yeah, first question is we share this document, guys. We can't answer, we can't discuss all the questions. We discuss 2 or 3 questions. See this, there is a new data type which can take values from natural numbers between 0 and 25. How many minimum bits are required to store this data type? 0 to 25 means unsigned integer, right? Unsigned integer 0 to 25. Guys, tell me 0 to 25 means which one is suitable? This one is suitable. Minimum bits are required for how many bits, guys? 5 bits is required. Unsigned data, no? This is a 5 bits is required. Now answer is, guys, option 2 is a 5 bits is required. This is a 5 bits. Option 2. Next question is what? A data type is stored as 6-bit signed integer. Which of the following cannot be represented by this data type? 6-bit signed integer, guys. What is 6-bit signed integer? -32 to +31. This is what? -32 to +31. Yeah, which one you can't store, guys? -12. Can you store -12? Yes. 0. Yes, we can store 0 also. 18. Yes, we can store 80 also. What we can't store? 32. That is the answer. Okay, no? We can't store 32. Same like that, this kind of questions will be there, guys. Okay, no? Yeah, come to the second data types. You understood, right? Yeah, my question is what? Clear, right? How we got these ranges? Now my question is, whenever exceeds the data from range, whenever exceeds the data from range, what happens? Next one. In data types only, what happens if data exceeds the range? What happens? Data, if data exceeds the range. Yeah, very good, Mahesh. Very good. Yeah, for example, guys, if data exceeds the range, what happened? For example, 3 bits range is unsigned 3 bits. We have taken unsigned integer, guys. Unsigned integer 3 bits we have taken. If you take 3 bits, that range is how much, guys? 0 to 7. Okay, now this is a unsigned integer 3 bits range. Okay, for example, 0 to 7. This range is how much, guys? 0 to 7 only. This is a range. For example, can I store 8 value, guys? Can I store 8? If I store 8, what happens? This is the maximum you can store 0 to 7 only in this data type, because 3 bits, no? 3 bits means you can store only 0 to 7 only. For example, if you try to store 8, what happens, guys? If you try to store 8, this value it gives, guys. Which value, guys? 0. Same like clock. Watch lo elagaithe after 12 we get 0, right? మీరు 8 ఇచ్చారనుకోండి 0 will get. Okay, 7 plus 1. For example, if I give 7 plus 1, what is 7 plus 1, guys? 8. 8 is 0 only will get. For example, 7 plus 2. If I give 7 plus 2, 9. If you give 9, next value will get. For example, next value ఇచ్చాము ఇక్కడ 8 is the 0. If you give 8 is 0. 9 means the next value will get, guys. What is the next value? 1 will get. 7 plus 2. Okay, for example, if I give 7 plus 3. Here 7 is the last value. Understand, guys? 7 is the last one. If we give 7 plus 3, 2 will get. Guys, tell me, if we give 7 plus n, what will get? If you give 7 plus
-1.
n minus 1. Good. Yeah, why do we get like this, guys? I told you, right? 3 bits range, right? What is 3 bits? What is 3 bits, guys? Maximum you can store 1 1 1 only you can store. This is a 1 1 1. If I try to store 7, guys, 7 will be stored like this, 1 1 1. Yeah, can I store 8, guys? What is 8 value? 1,000. If you try to store 8, guys, what happen if you try to store 8? 8 value is 1,000. Now 1,000. Now 8 means it will be stored like this. Ardhamaina? 8 store chese 1,000 la store adu. 1 it will store outside. Yeah, Teja. What, Teja? For example, 8 means 1,000. In 3 bits, what value it is storing, guys? 0 0 0. Understood, guys? Why if you store 8, 0 becomes same. Clear? Yeah. 9 if you store, for example, 9. What is the 9 value, guys? 9 means 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is a 9 value. 3 bits only will be stored. This is 1 only it takes. Okay. Next 10. If you try to store 10, guys, 1 0 1 0. 3 bits only it takes, no? That's why it takes 2. 11. If you give 11, guys, for example, 11. If you give that same 1 1 0, some value will get, right? 0 1 1 1. This is 11, guys. If you store 11, then 3 value it takes. I think you understood that. 3 bits only it takes, because we have given 3 bits, right? If you give more than 7, you'll get. Same way, negative values, guys. If I give negative values, for example, negative values, if I have given -1. What is a -1 binary value? Already we have given -1 is 1 1 1. -1 binary value. We have done -1 binary value, guys. Yeah, this is a -1 binary value. What is -1 binary value? 1 1 1. Nothing but a 7 will get. No, Teja. Octal addition is different, no? Yeah, this is what happened, guys. Whenever if you give 0 -1, here understand, guys, 0 means last value. Don't take consider as 0. Okay, 0 -1 is, we get what, guys? 0 -1 is 7. 7 means last value. That is the meaning here. Okay, for 3 bits I am writing. For every bit, 4 bits also same process, 5 bits also same process. If you write 2 bytes also same process. Now we get 7 -0. Last value -0 will get 7, guys. Now answer will get 7. Okay, 7 -0. We get 7 -0. You write 7 -0, then answer will get like this. For example, if we give -2, 7 0 -2, what will get 0 -2? Then answer will get last value -1. Last value -1 is 6. If I give -1, 7 will get. If I give -2, 6 will get. If I give -3, 5 will get. Like that. 0 -3. Last value -3. If I give 7 -2, 7 -2 will get 5. For example, 0 minus n, if we give formula, what is the formula? 7 minus n minus 1. This is 7 minus n minus 1. Clear? Understand this, guys. Clear? Whenever it exceeds the range, after 12, same like 1. Watch lo vachinattu 12 tarvata 1 also same. 0 to 7. 8 means what? Again 0 only, guys. 9 means 1. 10 means cyclic. It takes the values in cyclic. One example I will tell you. I will complete this. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue the session. Just to see this. Unsigned integer we take. Guys, what is unsigned integer value? If I give unsigned integer x equals to, for example, what is unsigned integer value? Max value, guys, 65,535. That is a max value, right? Printf, can I give percentile x value? Yes. That range is how much, guys? X is 65,535. Now, not percentile, percentile u. We have to give percentile u. I have given percentile u, guys. Once execute, if I execute, then 65,535 it is giving. What is the next value if you give? 36. What is 36? Is there a range? No, 36 is not there in that range. What is the range, guys? 0 to 65,535. If I give 36, if you give 36, guys, there is no 36, no? We get what value, guys? 0 will get that. Okay, whenever it is exceeds the value 36, if you give 36, then 0 will get that. That answer is okay, no? Same like that diagram, guys. Whatever you have written that diagram. Okay, I think you understood, right? This concept. We'll continue tomorrow. We continue anyway, just for your understanding, right? See this. It takes the values in circular manner. This is the range 0 to 65,535, guys. 0 to 65,535. If I give 36, if I give 36, what value will get, guys? 0 will get. 36 means 0. 37, if you give, next value will get 1. 37 means 1. 38 means 2 will get. 39 means next value. 40. Same way, minus 1 if you give, minus 1. Then 60, 35. Minus 2. 30 next value. Minus 3. Like that you will get the values, guys. Yeah, first write these two diagrams. Write these two diagrams. Tomorrow we'll continue this diagrams, guys. Right? This is for 3 bits, sir. This is for 3 bits. What Nagavikram? If you print a plus 5, what is a? What is a, Nagavikram? A is 65,535. No, that's only I'm telling. If you give this formula, if 65,535 plus n, you get n minus 1, you will get. That is the answer you will get. If you go 65,535 plus 5, if we give, then answer will get 4 will get. That is the answer will get. Last value plus n, we get a n minus 1 is a result. Yeah, write this anyway. Tomorrow we'll continue this session. Write the notes for this and that values also. Write this notes for this number. If exceeds the value, write this 0 to 7. If you give 0 to 7, it takes the values in circular manner. Make it exceed, it osthundi. If it is exceeds this side, if you exceed this side, then we'll get this side. Okay, no? This one completed, right? Yeah, write this diagram also. Unsigned integer also. For 0 to 65,535, if exceeds, what happens? Okay, tomorrow we'll continue the session, guys. Guys, I think you understood how, right? All the topics we discuss in depth only, guys. What happens inside? Okay. not outputs, not only outputs, what happens inside. Okay, everything in memory location, what happens, like this only we discuss. Yeah, write this diagram. Alternate days we have, guys, sessions. We have today, we have day after tomorrow. I think Sunday there is no class.
Same timing, sir.
Yeah, 7 to 9. I think you have academic sessions, right? In morning sessions. Mornings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's why they arranged in the evening. Guys, any doubts in this session now?
Sir, change the timings, sir.
What do you want? Which timings you want? Is it okay 6 to 8?
5
Yes, sir. 60.
6
No,
to 8,
sir.
okay, no?
Will be in traveling.
No, sir.
Sir, no
We will be in traveling.
No,
No, sir, we are
no, sir.
traveling, sir. We are traveling.
Yes, sir. No.
If college buses are there, even though time takes to travel, no, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Now you don't have college, no?
No, sir, we are going to college, sir. We have
We are
offline.
having, sir.
Okay, you have offline sessions, sir. Okay.
Saturday. 2 days.
Yes, sir, we are having offline session.
79 is okay, sir.
Sir, this time is fine, sir.
Okay, okay. We'll continue this session only. They said to me there is no offline session. That's it. Okay, no problem, guys. We'll continue in this session only. No problem. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow we'll continue the session. Guys, regularly follow the session, okay? Otherwise, you can't understand next session.
Sir, take offline classes, no, sir.
I think college is not giving, I think. You have academic sessions, right?
Yes, sir. Regularly.
Yeah, that's all. They said if it is offline, they give 3 hours per week. Yeah, I will find out. Okay. I think they have their schedule, no? That's all.
Sir, how long is the course, sir?
60 hours schedule this one. 60 hours. 30 days. 2 days completed already. Okay, no?
Okay.
If possible, we try to conduct an offline session also. Okay, we have to ask the college. Okay, we take a permission from college. We try to conduct offline session, guys. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Hello.